Students, now we are going to see properties of inequality of sides and angles, sides and angles of a triangle. To prove this, we'll go through the theorem. If two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angle opposite to the greater side is greater than angle opposite to the smaller side. To prove this, given in triangle XYZ, side XZ is greater than side XY. We have to prove that angle XYZ is greater than angle XZY. Construction. Take a point P. Here we have taken point P such that on side XZ such that XY is equal to XP, and draw segment YP. Segment YP is drawn. Proof. In triangle XYP, segment XY is equal to segment XP. XY is equal to XP. Construction. Therefore, angle XYP is equal to angle XPY. Isosceles triangle theorem. Now, in the figure, angle XPY is an exterior angle of triangle XPY. Therefore, we will have angle XPY is greater than angle PZY. Why it is? By exterior angle theorem. We know in a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle is greater than each of its remote interior angles. So, angle XPY is greater than angle PZY. Therefore, from 1 and 2, angle XYP is greater than angle PZY from 1 and 2. Now, XYP is the sum of XYP XYP. Now I am adding PYZ. If we add PYZ to the left side of this equation, what will get? Angle XYP plus angle PYZ greater than angle PZY. Because we know that if A is greater than B and C is greater than 0, then A plus C is greater than B. Using this property, we can work out it. Therefore, we get this addition of these angles is angle XYZ. You may see in the figure, which is greater than angle PZY. That is, we have angle XYZ greater than angle XZY. Now, students, next theorem. If two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the side opposite to the greater angle is greater than side opposite to the smaller angle. To prove this, given in triangle ABC, angle B is greater than angle C, we have to prove that segment AC, side AC is greater than side AB. Proof. We use indirect proof to prove this theorem. There are only three possibilities regarding the length of sides AB and AC. The three possibilities are: first possibility, AC is less than AB, AC is equal to AB, and third possibility is AC is greater than AB. So, first of all, we will see the first possibility. Let us assume that AC is smaller than AB. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to greater side is greater. We know this theorem. Therefore, we have angle C is greater than angle B. But we have given angle C smaller than angle B, given here it is. Therefore, this creates a contradiction. So therefore, our assumption AC is smaller than AB is wrong. So we'll consider the second assumption. If AC is equal to AB, then angle B will be equal to angle C by isosceles triangle theorem. But we have given angle B greater than angle C given. This also creates a contradiction. Therefore, our second assumption AC is equal to AB is also wrong. Therefore, AC is greater than AB is the only remaining possibility. Therefore, AC is greater than AB, hence proved. Now students, we'll see the next theorem. The statement of the theorem is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. If you take any triangle and if you add any two sides, you will find that the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. To prove this, given triangle ABC is any triangle, we have to prove that AB plus AC is greater than BC, AB plus BC greater than AC, and AC plus BC is greater than AB. Construction. Take a point D. Here we have taken point D on ray BA such that AD is equal to AC. Proof. In triangle ACD, AC is equal to AD. Construction. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle ADC by isosceles triangle theorem. Therefore, if I add angle ACB to the left side of this equation, I will get angle ACD plus angle ACB. It will become greater than angle ADC. And here ACD plus angle ACB is angle BCD. So we get the next step, angle is BCD is greater than angle ADC. That is, angle BCD greater than ADC is nothing but angle BDC in the figure. And therefore, we will get side BD greater than side BC. We know in a triangle, side opposite to greater angle is greater. And now here in the figure, side BD is the sum of AB plus AD. Here AB plus AD. And therefore we will get the step AB plus AD is greater than BC. But we know that AD is equal to AC given. Therefore AB plus AC is greater than BC. First proved. Therefore similarly we can show that AB plus BC is also greater than AC and AC plus BC is greater than AB, and hence proved the theorem.